Welcome to Stock Up Viz, where we take a look at promising stocks. Please keep in mind that this is for entertainment purposes only, and past results are not indicative of future performance. As we take a look, we're going to be looking at two stocks going forward before the opening bell today. And we're actually going to be looking at this first one here, which is our Coca-Cola. Keep in mind that these are trades that we have actually conducted on our own. So we're going to go ahead and try and get that money by investing. Right now, we see that for Coca-Cola, good dividend, very well run company, low risk, solid dividend. And we're actually looking at Coca-Cola and PG, Procter and Gamble. Target price going forward for Coca-Cola, we see at $76.20. We actually take a look at 15 indices as far as going forward. And these range from the quick ratio all the way down to the performance for the quarter. We can see for Coca-Cola, quick ratio is at 0.84. And our EPS, earnings per share, is 2.46. Dividend yield is 2.79. And performance for SMA 20 through SMA 200 has been very promising, even considering the tariff and trade war situation that we have now. So SMA 20 was 3.11%, SMA 50 was 4.33%, and SMA 200 was 8.11%. And operating margin is pretty strong for Coca-Cola now at 21.25%, but we're really looking at the performance for the quarter, which is 17.52%. So we actually conducted a trade after the market and for Coca-Cola on our Robinhood, and simply because we are looking at good dividends and well-run company, low risk, solid dividend, and we've seen quite a few firms actually upgrade Coca-Cola, considering the situation that's actually happening with the tariffs. So Coca-Cola is definitely a pick, coming in yesterday, which was April 14th at $72.45, with target of $76.20. Our next promising stock is going to be Apple. We feel that Apple, considering the tariff exemption list, Apple actually climbed a few percentage points yesterday, and our target price is set for $242.08. Right now, it's at $202.52. Apple has been very promising as far as very healthy EPS, earnings per share, 6.29 with a dividend yield of 0.51%, and a performance for the quarter, as well as SMA 20, SMA 50, and SMA 200 stock moving average has been performing lower than what we thought, but we anticipated that. We are primarily investing in Apple for the simple reason of the promise of high target date and previous performances where it simply returned really well, and during the period of returning really well, there was healthy return. You can see actually to return on shareholder net income for shareholder equity was 136.52%. So Apple is definitely on our list of stocks that we're looking at going forward. We're definitely going to be taking a look at Coca-Cola and Apple going forward in future days, and we'll be tracking them. But actually, Apple was one of the trades that we conducted yesterday on April 14th, 2025. We do feel strongly going forward that Apple and Coca-Cola will be great long-term opportunities. Keep in mind that these are based on our review of 15 index points, different indices as far as performances. Keep in mind past results are not indicative of future performance. This is for entertainment purposes. If you do need the advice of a certified financial professional, we definitely recommend that you reach out for one. So thank you for tuning in to Stock Up Viz.